Milk pudding lazy cake, or as we call it in Arabic, lazy Mahalabiyeh. I came up with this mix by mixing two desserts, one layer of lazy cake and the other layer of Mahalabiyeh. And of course with the twist of adding biscuit spread to the Mahalabiyeh and lazy cake. For the first layer of lazy cake, add half a cup of milk and half a cup of sugar. Mix it and put it on low heat until the milk is warm. Then add 4 tablespoons of powdered milk and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Continue by mixing all the ingredients until you reach a smooth texture. All the process is on low heat, and when the sauce starts to boil, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix it very well until all the butter is melted. Now in a bowl, I put Lotus biscuits. I've used 3/4 of a pack and the rest is for decoration. Crush the biscuit very well with your hand. Now pour the chocolate sauce when it's hot on the biscuits. This will make them soft and easy to spread in the pan. Mix it first with a spoon, but then you have to mix it with your hands, because you have to press on the biscuits to make it softer with the sauce. Distribute the lazy cake mixture in the pan or in a cheesecake mold. Press with your hands very well to make a smooth surface and distribute it evenly. Now for the Mahalabiyeh layer, put 4 cups of milk. Add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix all the ingredients together first without any heat. Then put it on low to medium heat and continue to mix until it starts to boil and the texture is thick. When you see it thick like this, add 3 tablespoons of biscuit spread. Continue to mix with the whisk on low heat until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Reaching a thick texture is an essential step in this recipe, because this cake will be served as pieces and the Mahalabiyeh should be thick. When you reach this texture, pour the Mahalabiyeh directly over the lazy cake layer. Spread it evenly and let it cool a little bit at room temperature. Now the dessert is warm and I will decorate it by putting 2 fine lines only on the surface, just to see the limit of each square. Now I will decorate with crushed biscuit on the first 2 squares like this, and some melted biscuit spread to decorate the other ones. Now put it in the fridge at least for 2 hours until it's fully cold and easy to cut. Now the dessert is ready to be served. It's very delicious. The combination of rich chocolate flavor in the first layer and the creamy and smooth texture of the second layer makes this dessert like a dream. It's very suitable for your gatherings with your friends and family. It requires no oven and it's very delicious at the same time. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين هنا.